Today I'm going to show you how easy it is for two people to replace a trifold couch in a travel trailer. My trifold couch broke, and so I ordered a new one from recpro.com and it just got delivered. So I'm going to show you how we get it into the RV. I'm going to do an unboxing, and then I'm going to show you how to remove the old one from the RV, and then show you how the new one works. So let's go. So the new couch is really comfortable, and we were able to get it in with two people. So it fit through a standard RV door, still in the box, and the other one was easy to get out as well. So that is the process it takes to replace your couch. And this is a RecPro 68-inch trifold couch with the leather finish. And then I also got their conditioner and their cleaner that came with it. So there you have it.